Our project title is Color Identification Using K-means Clustering. Basically, our project is about identifying a color from an image. In order to identify color, we are using K-means clustering algorithm. What is K-means clustering algorithm? K-means clustering algorithm is an unsupervised learning algorithm, and it is based on clustering, which is similar to classification, but it differs in its basis. Unsupervised algorithm is to find the underlying structure of dataset, group the data according to the similarities, and represent the dataset in a compressed format. For example, as you see the given image, before we are applying the K-means clustering algorithm, we can see the pixels are being combined, where the red, blue, and the green pixel are being overwhelmed or underlying on each other. But after we applying K-means clustering, you can see the cluster have been separated. Red has been separated, blue has been separated, and green has been separated. This is what K-means clustering algorithm is going to do. It separates the clusters, it separates the pixels and forms the different clusters. Why we are using unsupervised learning algorithm in our project? Unsupervised learning algorithm is much similar as a human learns to think by their own experiences, which make it closer to real AI. Unsupervised learning works on unlabeled and uncategorized data, which makes unsupervised learning more important. In real world, we do not always have input data with the corresponding output. So to solve such cases, we need unsupervised learning algorithms. Is K-means clustering efficient? Yes, K-means clustering algorithm is efficient. K-means clustering algorithm is more efficient when more clusters are formed. As number of clusters increases, the efficiency of K-means also increases.
As earlier, we have studied about K-means clustering and unsupervised algorithm. Here is the program for our project. In this notebook, we have used machine learning algorithm K-means to extract colors from an image. We use OpenCV for image manipulation and apply K-means to identify the major colors and plot the information using MATLAB. We are importing different libraries such as sklearn and Matplotlib for plotting graphs, NumPy to work with arrays, OpenCV to work with image data, collections to use counter to count values, and RGB to lab to convert RGB values, and delta E to calculate similarity between the colors. Here we are importing the libraries into our project. This code, it removes the noise. We see that the image has different colors as compared to the original image. This is because default OpenCV reads the image in the order blue, green, red. But we need to convert it into RGB, that is red, green. The image is also converted to grayscale if needed. We might want to resize the image to certain size whenever the images are huge or when we are working with multiple images or different images. This function returns the hexadecimal value of the color. This is the function of K-means clustering algorithm which clusters the image and shows the output in a pie chart with hexadecimal value. Here we are giving the image directory as image and we are giving the colors green, blue, yellow, black, white and grey. You can give as many number of the colors you want. Now we will include all the images from the folder. Now the user can select the green, blue, yellow, white, black, any color, and now we will run the program. These are the input images we are given as input. Now we got the output with respect to each color: green, blue, yellow, white, and black.
Here are the applications. We can use our image processing techniques in various fields such as medical imaging tasking, where we use this technique to identify stages of cancer. By forming the pixels, it matches with the image of the cancer stages. Thereby, it gives us the information at what stage the cancer exists. It can also be used in detecting the tumors. Other than medical field, it can also be used in biometrics, automated traffic control system, image editing, computer integrated surgeries, autonomous driving. Then comes to conclusion, we used k-means clustering to extract majority colors from images by forming clusters of the pixels. We then used the RGB values of colors to identify images from a collection that have that color in them. The values of the various colors have been given as an input through dataset. The data is collected and trained using machine learning algorithm, k-means clustering algorithm, and the predicted data has been tested.